Okay, this video is going to demonstrate testing a current transformer. I have an 800 to 5 CT connected to the test set, but in addition it will show some of the operations needed to create a data sheet. I have the control page on the PC open over there. I will note that the test set does not have to be connected to the internet. The data can be recorded to the flash drive. If you don't have a flash drive, you can write it down the old school way. But the internet provides access to a database and very convenient storage and retrieval of data sheets in the future. What I have done already, I filled out a location, a breaker number, a job number, and a description, and I've posted that data so that the test set can download that when you turn it on. So the only typing you have to do is on this form. You can type that in on the office before you go out to the field and not have a PC, but the test set will still download the information that applies to that job. Okay, I'm going to turn the test set on. Test set is downloading the heading information I just discussed. It is starting a file on the flash drive using that heading information, so we identify the CT that the test data applies to. And now what I'll do is, first thing we'll do is a ratio test. I'll select CT low, since I know it's the low range. I'll turn the output on and turn up some voltage here using the output level knob. Okay, I got it a little closer to the screen here, give you a better view. What I'm going to do is the ratio data is now on the screen. It's good to crank it up a little more. It's used a good target voltage for the input is 0.1 volts, but that's good enough for demonstrating. I will press the save key, and it is saving the data to the flash drive. The little light on the flash drive is flashing, and that data is now saved to the flash drive. I'll also press the FTP key. It is now uploading the data to the flash drive, and it leaves the file name on the screen. Not the flash drive, but this is uploading to the server for inclusion in the database, and that file is now on the server. Okay, I just want to inject here that I can also operate the test set from the internet, either from the office or the laptop. I could have someone connect it, and I can control it and control the downloading of the data from the PC. I can turn for example, I can turn the output off. I can turn the output on. I can turn the output on and perform an automatic test. I can FTP the file, I can zero the variac or whatever and clear this control window down here. That's another useful feature. Okay, I've completed the ratio test. I've returned to the main menu. And the next phase is a saturation test. I know it saturates below 200 volts. Select the low range. Turn the output on. And in a saturation test, you really always want to use automatic. So the test set will now ramp up the voltage and take a data set of voltage and current. When it reaches the saturation point, the word SAT will appear below amps, below the amp logo there, and that indicates CT is saturated. It will then run the variac down, plot the curve on the screen, and turn the output off. This data can now be saved to the flash drive. The light on the flash drive will flash until the data is completely saved to the data sheet on the flash drive. And one can use the flash drive kind of as an archive. You can continuously append tests to one file. So in case they get lost on the internet or something happens to the internet, you have an archive of your tests on the flash drive. I'm going to do the same with the FTP. I have uploaded the data, so the data has been, the test of this CT is complete. I'm just doing one CT on this particular test. Okay, returning to the PC, what I'm going to simply do is press, that data has been uploaded. I will press Generate Report, and then View Report. I know that the breaker number was 40, and the job number 803444. Click Submit, and there's my data sheet. I can print this or do whatever I want with it. It shows what the CT ratio was, A-phase line, what breaker it was. It has the timestamp, the date, and universal time code stamp, the output volts, the input volts, the angle, and the ratio, and then a set of saturation data. So that is in a database, can be recalled anytime in the future. And of course you have the data that was saved on the flash drive. Let me pull that out. Put it in the PC up here. And you can see I have all the data sheet information right there. The location, substation name, breaker number, job number, timestamps, and all the rest. Ratio data right there, and saturation data. So it's all on the flash drive also. Thank you for watching.